Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Marlowe and this is my assignment for the Leadership Professional Development Plan video for EDL 639. Currently I serve as Vice President of Corporate and Economic Development and Chief Economic Officer at Nash Community College. The position I have chosen to present on this assignment is for the presidency at Nash Community College. My career aspirations are to be able to lead this fine institution as president one day. I am interested in this position because based on my 18 years of experience at a local community college, I have been involved in most all levels of administration, from a youth counselor all the way to my position now as vice president. In my current role, I have the privilege of managing and enhancing strong partnerships with business and industry, civic organizations, workforce and economic partners, as well as governmental and educational institutions throughout our region. Over the past 18 years, I have had the opportunity to work with a diverse academic, socioeconomic, cultural, and ethnic background of community college students and community members. I have had a unique perspective of working on both the curriculum and the continuing education side, with 5 years being now on the curriculum side as well. So in addition to overseeing much of continuing education, I also oversee the Advanced Manufacturing Department, the Criminal Justice and Public Safety Department, and the Cosmetology and the Brewing, Distillation, and Fermentation departments at the college. Some of the key qualifications of this position is a doctoral degree with 10 years of leadership experience in community college administration, which is preferred, or a master's degree with a minimum of 10 years of community college experience with 5 years of senior level administration experience required. I currently hold a Master's of Science degree in Administration with concentration in Educational Administration from Central Michigan University, and I am currently enrolled in the Community College Leadership Certificate Program at UNCW, and I also plan to transfer these classes to the ED program in Educational Leadership. I enjoy a strong relationship with the business community in which I help deliver training to meet the needs of our workforce. I also work closely with the Nash Rocky Mount school system to deliver seamless transition from high school to college classes, including our CCP program, which is the College and Career Promise program that is served all over the state of North Carolina. During my time at Nash Community College, I have been given opportunities to grow programs, build relationships, network, and bring results. I am a lifelong Nash County resident, and I am 100% invested in Nash County. When our current president announced his retirement in January of 2019, I was immediately approached by many internal faculty and staff members, as well as several community leaders and local stakeholders. They were encouraging me to apply for the position, and after months of self-reflection, doubt, fear, and numerous conversations with my president, I decided I would go for it. I had tremendous support and encouragement from others based on relationships, networking opportunities, fundraising efforts, and the ability to work across the campus as a leader with proven results throughout continuing education and curriculum. For the past 5 years, I have served on the President's Executive Council, which serves as the President's recommending body on programs, curriculum, design, implementation, and budget for the whole entire college. I present at every Board of Trustee member meeting, covering all aspects of continuing education, workforce and economic development, and 15 curriculum programs. I provide leadership to continuing education department, as well as 9 advanced manufacturing curriculum programs: automotive, welding, computer integrated machining, industrial systems technology, robotics, and computer engineering. Also, I provide assistance and oversight for criminal justice and public safety, including EMS, emergency medical services, EM, emergency management and fire, cosmetology, and the brewing, distillation, and fermentation program. I also serve as a member of the Workforce Development Board, the North Carolina Economic Development Board, the Board of Directors for Rocky Mount Chamber of Commerce, and I am a Nash Rocky Mount Rotary member. I also serve internally on PEC, which is the Executive Council, PAC, President's Administrative Council, SACS Leadership, Strategic Planning Committee, and Professional Development Leadership Team, among others. As Chief Economic Officer at Nash Community College, I have the opportunity to meet with business and industry, along with local, county, and state officials, to help encourage industry to locate not only in North Carolina, but specifically to Nash County. I have been honored to be on the forefront of creating many programs at Nash Community College. Some examples are the CDL truck driving program, which has been now for about 16 years, the redesign of the electric line construction technology program, which Nash Community College is a leader across the state on both the curriculum and the Con Ed side, brewing, distillation, fermentation program, and the creation of the aseptic clean room training program to meet the needs of pharmaceutical industries across the state. I have also served as an integral part with Nash Rocky Mount School System, leading the way in a joint effort in establishing a city high, which is essentially an early college for technical programs. I have devoted time in promoting and implementing the Career Technical Education and Career Pathways Initiative, and as a result, CTE students earn credits in high school and follow the CTE pathway to college. I believe my extensive relationship with the business community, as well as county commissioners and other key state officials, local K-12 leaders, serves me well to build upon the rich history that has been built by NCC past presidents and our Board of Trustees. Excuse me. Obviously, there are challenges that will exist with this role as president. The first challenge is the ever-changing landscape of the community college system as a whole. Overall, enrollment is down across the state, although we still serve 700,000 students statewide annually. We know that when the economy is good and there are jobs available, that our enrollment goes down. But at the community college system, you must be able to adapt and respond quickly as local needs change on a dime. The budget is always a challenge. A great example of how the community college does more with less is to look at our funding. The entire budget for the community college system is $1.3 billion for 1 year. North Carolina State University's budget for 1 year is, you guessed it, $1.3 billion. So as a system, $1.3 billion for the community college system, and NC State alone, $1.3 billion. Also, being plugged into the local community needs is crucial. I have learned from shadowing our president for the past 2 years that being able to listen, have humility, and keeping a balance is so important. Relationships do matter. Also, becoming more familiar with the entire SACS process is one of my main goals over the next year. I currently serve on the SACS leadership team and have become more familiar with the standards and was personally responsible for writing several sections for our upcoming SACS re-accreditation and visit in September 2020. The individuals I believe will be most helpful to me on my journey to the presidency is, of course, our current president of Nash Community College, Dr. Bill Carver. With 32 years of experience, 14 as president, his mentorship is invaluable. He is such a visionary, not only for our campus, for this community, but as in the system as a whole. He is widely regarded as one of the best presidents that the system has. His guidance on how we got here and our future needs is so important to me. I have also chosen Dr. Amy Harrell, Associate Dean of Academic Research at Nash, for her expertise as a SACS liaison. I have leaned on her most recently over the past year for guidance on writing my sections of the SACS documentation, but I also value her knowledge of the overall process. Excuse me. In closing, I believe in the mission of the community college system and Nash Community College, where we provide an educational environment that meets students where they are and prepares them for successful college transfer and rewarding careers in a global and diverse society. Through quality instruction, workforce development, and community partnerships, we foster lifelong learning opportunities by addressing the needs of individuals, communities, and organizations. Thank you.